Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, failed to format the selected partition 0x80070057. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Repair your computer. Click Command Prompt. Type disk part. Type list disk, select disk 0. Type list vol. Select problematic volume. Type format fs equal to ntfs quick. Type active and exit disk part in command prompt. Again reinstall Windows. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.